I'll be really brief. I just wanted to make a point because I don't think it had been made, and certainly I think marriage is about an awful lot more than children. I think sometimes when we focus on some of the comments earlier on, focused on marriages, procreation and things like that, which are a little bit offensive to those of us who are married and don't have children, and people who can't indeed. But a lot of the debate has been about children. I think there's just one point that I wanted to make, because it's been great, the diversity of groups that we've had here today, but there have been voices that couldn't be facilitated because of time. And I just wanted to make the point that, having read ahead of this, and I read all the submissions that came in and the views of different groups, it struck me that all of the big children's rights organisations feel passionately that every child should be treated equally. Groups like the Children's Rights Alliance, the Children's Ombudsman, Barnados are all campaigning for marriage equality because they believe that it's right for children. And I just think when we hear all these spurious arguments that are put out, or biases against families that imply that those children aren't happy, to me the embodiment of that today, and the most powerful presentations for me today, was listening to Claire and Connor, who stood up and spoke on it just at such a personal level, and they were so articulate, and they were such happy young people. And to me, all of this debate comes down to, why on earth would we discriminate against good and happy families? I think we should treat everybody the same. I think it's very, very simple. There's been a load of other issues thrown in over the course of the day about things like assisted human reproduction, all kinds of other issues which equally affect opposite-sex couples. I think we shouldn't be distracted by that, because that's completely separate to the issue that we're looking at. We've been asked one question: are we in favour of marriage or not? Do we believe that all of our citizens should be equal before the law? Do we believe that Conor and Claire deserve the same respect for their family as everybody else?